Good morning. It's Saturday morning. I did my morning routine. I need to get a stand that's going to rise up with my camera because now I'm just bending down. But anyway, toast to this morning. Starbucks coffee. How are you all doing this morning? Today is Saturday, Vlogtober, day 8. Today's the 8th, right? Yes, Vlogtober, day 8. Let me give you a little rundown of what I'm doing today. I'm going to finish up, well, I did my morning routine. I wrote in my journal. I said, thank you, Jesus, when I got out of bed because, whoa, Jesus. When I say pain. But I don't talk about pain like that. But I get up to say thank you, Jesus, because I'm here another day, even if I'm dealing with the pain. Thank you, Jesus. Did not write in my journal. My rundown today, like I said, I'm just going to be indoors today. I wrote in my journal. I did my morning routine, which is my yoga, the shower, the shower shave thing. Having my coffee. And then I had breakfast already. So the next thing on my list, I will finish my cardigan. That's one. Finish my cardigan, take something out for dinner. Oh no, I did that last night because it's marinating. It's chicken. We're gonna finish the cardigan. I said it like 5 times. We're gonna finish my cardigan. I'm gonna make me another loaf of bread in the mix. Well, I'm gonna start the bread off, then I'm gonna start on finishing the cardigan. And then between today and tomorrow, I will be redoing my bedroom headboard. I will put a picture of the before and after. So if I don't finish it today, it will be, I'll show you on tomorrow's vlog. But 90% of the time, it'll get done today. So that's pretty much all I'm doing today on Saturday. I've checked my emails. I've replied to people on TikTok that wanted me to get on live with them. We're going to talk about that. Energy is the thing. But before I get into that, if you are new, welcome to my channel. If you are OG, welcome back. Do me a favor, comment, like, and subscribe, and turn on that bell notification. That way you be notified each time I upload. Yes. And thank you for tuning in. Now, let's do a little chit chat here about me, my energy. I'm very energetic. If you get up and you watch my Instagrams in the mornings, I'm very energetic and I'm in pain. I deal with pain every day. Back pain, headaches. Back pain and headaches. But you would never know that because I don't get on social media. Oh, hey, how you doing, love? I don't expect your energy to be as high as my energy, but I'm going to need your energy to match my energy. If you want me to participate in your life and we're not talking about serious things, I need your energy to be matching my energy because then I feel bad, kinda, that you're feeling the way you're feeling. I need you to get through what you're feeling and then get on social media. Unless your social media is about mental health. That's a different story. But if you always in a funk because I'm not gonna name any names and throw out shade, but people get upset with me because my energy. Your energy needs to be 6 feet tall. And I'm 5'2". So that's how high your energy. No, I'm going to give you, I'm 5'2". I need your energy to be here because my energy is 6 feet. Okay? So I'm going to give you the 5'5". But anything below my height, not dealing with that because I can't. Your energy does not, let me get that clear, does not affect my day. But I feel kind of sort of bad because I'm energetic and you're going through something. Now, I am a psychiatrist. I've been a therapist for My son is 30. Since 1991. Well, no. Before I got married. And I got married in 1990. Because I went to school for accounting. I became a board certified accountant. We're not going to go through the whole history. But in the mix of me doing accounting, I had to take business law. I had to take psychology. Well, I purposely took psychology, sociology, and all that stuff that goes around ology. Just busy. But anyway, I'm certified. I'm not a licensed therapist, but I am a certified therapist of 30 somewhat years. And I don't, it's not like a daytime, all the time job, but I do have counseling sessions with married couples, teenagers that's going through a funk. I sit and listen. That's the whole thing with everybody. Like, girl, you cannot, I just sit and listen. But when it gets to the point where you're repeating that same energy, for example, my man keeps doing this, my man keeps doing this, that's when I'm going to charge you. That's when I'm going to say, hey, you want to lay on the couch and talk about it? Let me send you the invoice. Because when you just constantly keeping yourself, and I say this in all due respect, if you know your man is cheating on you, but you stay in that relationship, but you complain, that becomes a you problem. So when you get to that point, let me send you an invoice. So people get mad at me when I say that. Well, what kind of friend are you? First off, we're social media. That's it. I charge you for your negative energy about your man, because it becomes a you problem because you choose to stay. My boyfriend is this, my boyfriend, and I keep emphasizing my boyfriend. You can get out of that relationship, and I get it. Oh, I love him. But what is it doing for your mental health? That's the question. Your toxic relationship, what is it doing to your mental health? Think about that and come talk to me, either email or down in the comment section. I wasn't throwing shade, but I couldn't stay on her live because that's all she was babbling about on TikTok. And I'm sure she's watching this. All due respect, that's not my cup of tea, but you get mad at me for something I chose not to entertain. So yeah, that's my morning tea. Coffee. So let me get on to my day. I had to just get that out. Like, get it out. Because there's some things I would entertain if we're doing a podcast or I'm talking on a talk show. That's it. But social media, and I'm getting on energetic in the morning, I don't want to deal with the same thing I heard you talk about last night. You still in that, you still stepping into that fire. Why don't you just put the fire out? Okay, shut up, Tara. Yeah. We're not posting this. That was a lot. But we're not posting it. So, let's get on to making a cardigan. Let me get dressed. I'm going to leave my hair just like this because I don't feel like curling it. Okay, I'm dressed. I'm back. I'm in my bedroom. You see the ring light right there. Ignore it. Because I have two angles camera. So with that being said, I'm in my bedroom. Don't pay the bed any mind because I was about to strip it and then I said, oops, I forgot to turn the camera on. So I have the camera on. My voice is starting to go back out. So what I'm going to do is stop talking, but I'm going to get this part out first. So with that being said, I took a shot. That's the word. I took a shot apple cider vinegar with honey. That's what I was told to do. I don't have any sickness going on. It's just I talk a lot and I sing a lot, so my voice is like it just needs some rest. But and this time it's not due to onions. It's been a week since last Friday. My voice was in and out, and it's hard to be quiet when I work, because most of the stuff I do is I talk. I get on Zooms and I talk about this, that, and the other, ABC, X, Y, and Z. And then, you know, I have grandkids that want me to read books and stuff to them, so that's kind of hard to just be quiet, because I don't want to disappoint them because my voice sounds like crap. So I did the apple cider vinegar and honey, and I did the warm tea with honey. That's what my doctor said to do, because it's not laryngitis, it's not a cold, it's not upper respiratory anything, it's not an infection. It's just I talk too much and I love to sing, and that's what happened. So I'm just going to shut up after I say this is the bed I'm about to do, my headboard. I did this 4 months ago. I did not like it. Let me give you a little full picture of it. I did that from the first time I did something to the bedroom, but I'm about to change it up. I live in an apartment, so I'm renting, and I really don't have space to do what I really want to do, like create a headboard and trying to saw stuff. Yeah. Plus, I don't have a battery for my new electric saw. No, not electric. The battery operated saw that I got. Anyway, that's neither here nor there. We're going to take this. I'm going to take it all down, take the nails out, flip it over, which will be white. Then I will be using this tape like I did in my lounge area where I drink my coffee and stuff. I'm going to just do an abstract headboard. That's it. I just came on to do that. And then I'm going to change the sheets into, or whatever, I don't know what color, but we're going to do that. So let's cue the music. Okay, so I took all the boards down. Now I'm trying to think if I want to use the boards or just use the tape that I showed you to just make an abstract on the wall. But I just got to cover up all those little bitty holes on the wall. So with that being said, we're going to use the tape instead. I'm just going to tape the wall with a nice design. Yes, we're going to tape the wall with a nice design. This side is going to come all the way down. That side is going to come all the way down. But the middle is just going to come halfway because I'm not moving the bed. So we're just going to do half of this all the way up to the top of the bed. And then full on each side of my nightstands. So if I'll start it off showing you what I'm doing, but I'm not going to do all of it on camera because I don't want to. So I'll be back. Hey my loves, it's about 9:09 p.m. and I still have not done anything to this wall because I have no idea what I want to do. The ideas I had in my head did not come out right, so I just kept taking it off the wall. So we're going to cut this video short tonight, and I'll be back tomorrow, but not with the DIY project. But I will be back soon when I figure out the type of headboard I will make for my bedroom. So I'm going to go sleep in the living room because I don't feel like making a bed. Nope, I really don't.